Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Chonak Rava fry. I've taken 6 pieces of chonak with the bone which I have washed and drained. To make the marinade, in a bowl add Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, salt, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. Mix this all together. Apply the marinade to the fish and make sure that the fish is nicely coated with the masala. Set aside for around 30 minutes to marinate. For the coating, take semolina in a plate, add some turmeric powder and mix it. Coat the fish with semolina on both the sides. For this recipe, I am using pre-seasoned cast iron fish frying pan which is sent by the Indus Valley. Add oil in the pan. And once the oil is hot enough, add the fish pieces one by one and fry it for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. By the time the fish is getting fried, let's know more about this brand. So the Indus Valley is India's #1 healthiest kitchenware brand and their products are 100% toxin free, made from only healthy materials. They have wide variety of products like pressure cookers, kadais, saucepans and many more. If you are planning to upgrade your kitchenware collection, you all can order it from their official website. I've also given the link in the description of this video. You all can use my coupon code COOKING to get a 12% discount on your order. So hurry up. Now let's turn the fish onto the other side and fry it for more 5 to 7 minutes. Once the fish is nicely cooked and has a crispy coating on the outer side, remove it and serve it hot.